Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to create a private server in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC. Here I'm just entering into the one of the game. Click the icon which is shown on the video and then click create private server. So here I'm going to enter my username as a server name and subscribe. Yeah, it need 25 Robux for per month. You may also customize, it's based on you, and now I'm not going to customize it. Yeah, once it's done, the private server will created. Yeah, now it's created. I'm just going to configure the private server. Yeah, the configuration is based on your side. Now I'm just clicking my friends allowed. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Thank you guys.